Alright YouTube, welcome back to your brand new video, and today I'm going to be reacting to more of your renders. So as you can see, Imperial just posted a new work here, which I'm going to check out. So I'm just going to give you guys some tips and advice, and yeah, if you guys want to submit your work, you're free to join the Discord. Link is going to be down below. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Also, just a little notice: the first half of this video, the sound was actually cut off, so this is a voiceover. I'm not the best at edits, so let's check out his work here. I think the render could be better. The background is really low quality, the texture he used, so I think you should find a better texture, but mainly the render, you could make it a lot better. It is too dark and too contrasted, so I would mainly work on that. And yeah, I think if you focus on those parts, you will see a lot of improvements. Make sure you guys check out our store, gfxcomment.com. We now have studio imported products. Well, we have one, but we have a lot more coming soon. So yeah, just check it out. We have some free stuff, some UIs, graphics packs. Just check it out for yourself. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, let's keep going. The next one is from Spirit. Right here, moon gazing. Let's check it out. I like the concept a lot. The only thing I can say is the moon part looks a bit washed out, the top half of this artwork, so I'll work on that. Alright, yeah, overall really cool concepts, I like it, but let's keep going. Same one. Okay, next we have I just tried some Lego GFX. This was a recreation of an album cover. Even as the recreation, I think the concept is really cool. The Lego bees here and the flowers, the clouds, I like it a lot. You did a fantastic job, so credits to you. Alright, next we have an advertisement. I like the characters, they're really smooth. The rig you use, the bent arms, I like that a lot. The text is also really nice. The only thing I can say is the pointer here, the cursor, it seems a bit out of place because there's no button, but I think you just mean for it to be like a click on this ad kind of thing. Next we have an icon here. I think the background could be worked on. It seems a bit bland, so I'll work with the background. That's right there. Next we have Is This Good? Very funny. Alright, my first render versus my latest. They both seem so similar. I have no clue if I have made improvements. Okay, so check out your first work here. I must say that is a very interesting outfit choice for your avatar. Obviously for a beginner, the obvious stuff, or effects, are out of place. The lighting is really subpar. It's really hazy. There's a lot of bloom. It's blurry. Let's check out your latest work. I mean, just look at these two. There is clearly a huge difference. The only thing I can say is for this one, the sky, you could have picked something better. The orientation of the clouds, and it seems a bit off. So fix the sky, but you can see the characters, the lighting, the texture around the pool is really nice. So okay, so alright, yeah, I mean the water, you see. Also the back's a bit there's too much bloom, so fix that, it'll look a lot better. Alright, next we have making a Thumbnail Gfx for my own game. Let's check it out. This little portal thing, I think if you added some particles and just some minor subtle effects coming out of it, it will make the whole thing look a lot more magical, I guess you could say. Alright, let's keep going. This one's from Blaze. This is very cool. The only thing I say is the background seems a bit too bright in exposure. The whites and the composition is a bit too high. If you added more debris effects like dust, smoke, just around the whole thing. It will make it look a lot more dramatic, and I think it would just really help the entire piece out a lot. This right here, what I can't tell what it says, but I think this is like a poster kind of artwork. It's pretty cool. I don't really have much to say about it. I like it. Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, it's the same one from before. This one is pretty rushed. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it, but there are just some small things you could do to make this look a lot better. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. Alright, let's see what else we have. Do you want to add some blue to your work? Maybe? No, we're like a soft light. So it's gonna look something like this. Just keep scrolling through. This is pretty cool right here. Let's add this. And you can use your brush tool. Some areas that need to be darkened, and some areas that need to be brighter. But overall, it's really good. So don't worry about that part. It's just some slight things that could help it out. So like that. So this is the before and after. Obviously, like I said, you can turn it down if you think it's too much. So like that. Let's scroll up now. Can't believe I bought extreme PBR. That's looking pretty good. I like that. The texture here looks really nice. There's like a plugin, I'm assuming. It looks good though. Thumbnail commission for T-Live Cafe version 3. This one is super cool. This one is really nice. This right here is a good example of what I was talking about in terms of turning down the bloom. So you can see when it's less hazy, it looks much more balanced and more realistic, right? So this piece right here is a great example of nice balanced lighting, and you can just see the whole thing is more well put together. Alright, I think I did well with the fog. Yeah, you did a pretty good job. I think the character looks a bit off here though, so maybe you work on that. Our snowy day collaboration. Alright, that's gonna be it for this episode. I promise longer videos, like 20 minutes and above, but it is kind of late, so I want to get this video out before the evening. So nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Make sure to leave a like, and yeah, peace out.